Today I'm going to talk about the slips that you're getting for your take-home kits. So in front of me are the containers that you're going to receive with the different colors, and in front of them are the tiles that we did of the test of the colors with a clear glaze and without a clear glaze. So you can see a matte version and a glossy version. And one of the reasons to test is to verify what the colors look like. Like here's the green, you can see in the container it does look like that green. The yellow is a little bit darker. The black, of course, you've been seeing me paint. It's almost like a grayish charcoal color, and you can see it goes to the black. White, you can see it looks more like clay, and then it becomes white. Now, here's the oddball. This is why you test colors, underglazes or slips as you create them. This says it's pansy purple, but it looks like a teal blue. So we'll see if it stays this color or if it really is purple, and this was just a bad test. Orange, you can see how much brighter it gets in the firing. Blue, again, you can see the brightness of it. The red, which a lot of students are excited because I could tell you a couple years ago it was really hard to get reds at this temperature. And we have a pink. Now remember, if you want this blue to be a lighter blue, you can take a small bit of your blue and put it into a little plastic cup, add a little bit of white to it, and that'll become a lighter blue. Now, you can't do that with black and blue. So let's say you have your blue and you pour some black in thinking you make a darker blue, you're going to make mud or a black. Okay, you're going to lose the blue. Blue, black, and maybe the pansy purple that's really blue, and this green will usually overload the other colors. So like if you have this pink and you add black to it trying to make it darker, it'll probably be a gray to a black. So you can't mix colors like you do paint. But in some ways, you can't mix a darker black color into these to make them darker, but you can add white to make them lighter. So that rule is half and half. White works, black does not. But this is what you're taking home to experiment with all these slips that we've been working on, getting prepared for you. So you have a range of colors to choose from.